What are you doing, Orion? Get him. Get the birdies. Get the birdies. Where are they? Get them. Get them. Get the birdies. What's that? He didn't like the fishies, but he liked the birdies though, right? Wow. Food. Treats. He didn't even move for treats. Oh, there he goes. Oh. He doesn't get it. He doesn't get it. I mean, he's really focused on this. Yeah, like the fish one, I could not get him to look at it. He just wanted to pet it, but he was ready for snuggle time, but he loves this. Thank you, YouTubers, for this. Look how focused he is. And that one's so close. He wants it so bad. Oh, there they go. Get it, Orion. Get the birdie. Get that bird. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. He doesn't understand. I feel bad for him. Can we do anything, Orion? Get him! Get him, Orion! Oh! Get him, Orion! Okay, I think he's about done. He's just gonna stare at him now. Oh, maybe. Oh, no. I think he's getting a little ticked off that he can't get them. Okay, he's done. Say bye, Orion.